Attorney General Raul Labrador stepped down from his role in the Central District Health Board just a year and a half into his 5-year appointment. The Ada County Commissioners set out to find his replacement, and they did yesterday. In a unanimous decision, out of 5 candidates, they recommended former Idaho State Representative Greg Ferch to fill that seat on the CDH board. Criteria Ada County Commissioners said they were looking to satisfy would, 1, have knowledge of CDH, I assume more than just it existed, knowledge or participation on boards or commissions or committees, and 3, have knowledge of financing and budgeting. Commissioner Ryan Davidson said he liked Ferch for his experience in Idaho's legislature and his tenure on the House Health and Welfare Committee.
So has a strong interest in health. Somebody who's been through the legislature, I think, understands the dynamic of a committee system better than most. He has medical experience as a chiropractor.
Ferch served 1 term as a state representative. Commissioner Tom Daly hung his hat on Ferch's financial experience as a small business owner.
So Ada County contributes the lion's share of the budget for Central District Health. So budgeting is critically important to the process of the commissioners members of the Central District Health.
There wasn't a whole lot of discussion on the actual public health side of CDH. This is a recommendation, by the way, because Ferch's appointment still has to be approved by the commissioners of the 3 other counties covered by Central District Health. That'd be Valley, Elmore, and Boise. So what else might those counties be considering when it comes to Ferch? Well, he's a chiropractor with his own business here in Boise. He's a graduate of University of North Dakota and a former Army medic, according to the bio he turned into Ada County. He didn't include his stance on certain communicable diseases, though, something he's been pretty forward about when one considers his social media posts when it comes to the pandemic and the COVID-19 vaccine, questioning the efficacy of masks and pushing the theory the vaccine causes more harm than good. At least one of those posts had to be flagged by Facebook for being misinformation. He was also an outspoken endorser of Commissioners Rod Beck and Ryan Davidson, even donating to Davidson's campaign in 2020. And that's not illegal or questionable, by the way, just giving you some perspective on this. And speaking of budgets, if that is in fact a primary responsibility of Central District Health and not so much about public health, well, the second largest section of Central District Health's $17.5 million 2024 budget is the $2.2 million spent on communicable disease control. COVID-19 falls under that category and is more than half of that category's budget. It could get interesting when one of those board members with line item control has certain opinions on the efficacy of vaccines. One other, by the way, these views not too far off from the person he's replacing, the current State Attorney General, Raul Labrador. We did try to ask Dr. Greg Ferch about these opinions he has expressed on social media. He said he was too busy today and he just sent us his bio.